What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Brandy, and today we are going to be doing a pack with me video as we are headed to Daytona Beach, Florida. If you want to see how I packed my bags for this vacation, then just keep on watching. P.S. Daytona is getting filmed and it's gonna be lit. Don't want to miss that. Okay. Before I let you guys go, I want to tell you about the description bar below, as there's a lot of good stuff in there. Anything travel related that I mentioned, items, suitcases, packing cubes that you saw that you might be interested in, the links to where you can find those, description bar below. If you want to know how to organize your packing like how I did, there's travel checklist links that I've created, description bar below. If you want to follow me on social media, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, I think that's all of them, description bar below. Also, I encourage you guys to subscribe to this channel as there's a lot of great stuff happening, and stay tuned for a quick sneak peek to next week's Daytona Beach vlog. I'll see you guys later.